Hi everyone. Sorry. So in today's video, I'm gonna be playing this game called Mukbang Corner, or this mukbang game. It's still in testing. So just play it by searching up mukbang testing, and yeah, you'll find this game. So I'm gonna be trying it out today. So I'm going to be trying everything that I can right now, so yeah, let's just start. By the way, I'm making this video at like 3, so this is why I sound a little tired and my voice is a little low. There's like so many chickens here. And please ignore my avatar. Here, you know what? I'm actually gonna change it. Alright, transition in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I also found out that I found out that if you use like 3D faces, dynamic faces, it actually does animations. So I'm gonna try this out. Space, so I'm gonna eat all this and then I'll just clear my table. And maybe I'll stay like this. I like this a lot. This is very cool. And I like how there's a variety of chickens and dipping sauces. I'm gonna try the cheese one first though. Oops, I accidentally put it. I like this a lot, actually, how it has an animation. Here we go. Look at the cheese. Try the baked mac and cheese now. And maybe some chickens I missed. I don't know. If I in this video, if I missed anything, just let me know in the comments if you even watched this. because video has like sound effects. It's like bacon whenever you bite into food. This is a very nice game. I definitely recommend playing this game. This game is so cool. Holy Jesus cheese ball, that is so... God, this guy's a savage. I mean, I'm literally gonna play this. Graphics just makes it so much better in the food animations. Also, guys, I haven't bought the seafood bar because I don't need it. Yes, guys, by the way, we're still thinking about when we're gonna release that Backrooms movie. And yeah, about the Backrooms movie, I'm just saying this for a random reason. We don't exactly know when we're gonna actually release it, but yeah, we're still deciding the date. But all we know is that it's still gonna come out. It might not come out until like a couple months or so, but it'll come out. Just be patient and please don't hate at me because I didn't release it yet. That would freaking really hurt my feelings. Well, I mean, not that you care. This animation, but God, the it's so scary. Food cannot be as last meal, Jesus. So there's these ones in here. Sorry, I was silent. I was just zoned out. I've seen so many videos about this game. I'm just trying it myself. Again, guys, if you want to say anything in the comments, like any games I should try next that are trending that I haven't tried yet, just let me know immediately in the comments. I will play it if I stuffy nose too. Oh, I forgot one more thing. I'm still putting my stuff down. I'm gonna try to get like every single eatable thing possible besides the seafood boil. If I get any Game Pass items, I will definitely play this game if it updates for sure. Just let me know in the comments if it ever updates, or like if it updates and I just don't even know, just let me know in the comments. If you even care about my gameplay, I'm putting, you know, this might take up like all of my space, so I'm just gonna put some small things first. Okay, yeah, let's start. Jeez. I made a Korean corn dog. I'll pull up a picture in like 3 seconds. Yeah, so I did eat a Korean corn dog. It was delicious. I mean, I didn't eat it, but like I made it. And yeah, it tasted extremely good, and the batter's really easy to make too. But it's so hard to just, like you have to get like panko crumbs or something, and like you have to get the batter on there, and then you have to deep fry it. But I don't wanna I didn't feel like deep fry because it was 5 in the morning when I made them, so I had to air fry it instead, and it was not the easiest thing because I used batter, and my air fryer has like many holes in it, and like the batter could have easily like went through. The crumbs did kind of like help a little bit, but the crumbs also made like some of the batter fall off, and some of the hot dog was showing. It got me so annoyed. Jeez, this is loud. Disgusting. It's just satisfying. More gross how there's just space. I'm sorry if my mic's a little too loud. Very cool. Jeez, also like to mention, if you guys and also, there's this game he released, it's called, Peakers. It's like a game about, like, climbing mountains and stuff. He actually released a trailer on his channel, and, yeah, his channel name is @thecrazy-b1v. Definitely go check it out, and, yeah, go play Peakers. It's so fun. And I'm also going to be helping him a little bit in the studio with Peakers. I don't really do anything yet, but yeah. Just wanted to throw that out there. Yeah, this is so cool. I like this, oh, sorry. No, sorry. I'm really liking that, satisfyingness of this, I find it satisfying because like how the mouth moves too, but it's also just a little creepy. I don't think I tried like that. See if the crab legs have any cheese balls, so I'm gonna get like something that has cheese on the side. Here we go. That sucks. Finish the I did try it out, but it didn't have as much of, like when this game first came out, I tried it, but now it has like so much more foods. Now I didn't try some things over here too. Yeah, let's try this. Very cool. I also like how there's different flavors like honey too. I never tried these. Jeez, I'm stupid. Jeez, he's looking like that. He's really looking like he's gonna love that food. Guys, I'm gonna actually end the video right here because I don't have much time, and my device is actually gonna die, and as you can see, I'm at 1%, so I have to finish and edit this. So see you guys later. Bye.